Do you trust the food you eat every day, or have we been trading convenience for contamination? Are there tiny materials in your food, the same ones used to make non-stick pans and firefighting foam? What if every bite of your favorite takeout was also feeding your body microplastics and toxic chemicals you can't see? How many times this week have you eaten something wrapped in paper or placed in a plastic container? They're called PFAS, per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, man-made chemicals that don't break down. They're in food packaging, cooking tools, and even the water used to wash your meals. Some call them forever chemicals, because once they enter your body, they stay there. PFAS and microplastics aren't just in our fast food wrappers, they've been found in the food itself. From fish and shellfish to vegetables and bottled water, studies show these invisible particles are making their way into nearly every meal we eat. Once inside the body, they don't just pass through, they build up in our blood, liver, and even our brain over time. Scientists are now finding that these chemicals can alter hormones, weaken our immune system, and even increase the risk for certain cancers. So the question isn't if we're being exposed, it's how much our bodies can handle before it starts breaking down. PFAS exposure has already been linked to thyroid disorders, cancer, fertility issues, and developmental problems in children. Yet most of us have never been told how much we're exposed to, or that these chemicals can accumulate over time. If these particles can reach our bloodstream, could they also reach the brain? If this is hitting home, and you've learned something new about what's in your foods, then let me know by hitting the like, comment, share, and subscribe button. We spend billions on fast food every year. But what's the real cost when the convenience we crave may also be slowly poisoning us? The next time you unwrap a burger or sip from a plastic cup, ask yourself, what else are you consuming besides calories? Would you change what you eat if you knew your body was already storing these chemicals? In part 4, we dive into Your Clothes Are Poisoning You, the plastic you wear polyester shirt. We've been told that clothes make the man, but no one told us those clothes might also be making us sick. Every polyester shirt, yoga pant, or water-resistant jacket could be releasing microplastics and toxic PFAS straight onto your skin. The change doesn't have to be overnight, but awareness is the first defense. So now that you know that food could be part of the problem, what else in your home is silently poisoning you? Stay tuned for the next part of this series, because this story isn't over yet.